Seagulls.
What do you want to do?
I want to candy.
We'll go scare them.
Right now.
As soon as they go to the ground, we will scare the shit out of them.
Are you taking a video camera?
Because I'm going to videotape us running through the seagulls.
And then put it on YouTube.
Okay.
Because Courtney will eat it. No, seagulls attack!
Y'all got to get on camera. I got Jaden.
You get me?
Yes, I got you.
Seagulls attack! Seagulls attack.
Okay.
Let's get that one.
We're going to walk to the seagulls, so it may take a while. Not those two little bastards. Okay, Abby, grab Jaden. That was a fake. Don't scare him yet. Guys, you gotta shut up. You guys gotta be quiet so we don't scare them away right now. You fucking bitch. I hate old men. They run through birds and then we don't get to do it.
Over there. Is that videotaping?
You bitch.
There's one eating corn.
Shut up, guys. Oh, fuck. Shut up. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Some birds.
We're gonna run through another set. Hold on. I hate cameras. Okay, well, okay. We're gonna run through these birdies too. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, 1. That car, I swear to God. That fucking car. 1. More than. That's not very many. Courtney, run through them. Run through them. Get you on tape. What's wrong with Jade?
He wants to run to seagulls.
Oh.
Look at all the seagulls. Oh, they're poop attack. Poop attack, run. Poop attack.
There's just some random guy sitting in that car right there that I'm showing in this shot. He's weird looking. No offensive to the guy if he sees this. Oh wait, is that a woman? Oh no, it's a guy. My bad, dude. It's the birdies. I need something to feed them with so I can scare them.
Where your hair?
I wonder if those little kids would get mad if we like run straight through them. Look, there's my mom and their mom, but you can't see them, but they're far away. God damn it, Courtney, move.
Ow!
Ow, bitch. That's all for the birdie thing, because they fucking come back. All right, well, bye. Say bye.
I hate you, buddy.
Oh, she doesn't mean it.
Hi.
Bye.